Jatend migawo mar omenda John Mbadi koro wacho ni duond od bura mar ODM nyaka wit oko jokanyo ma osiko nyayo lweny. Ka olose gwenge Maseka, Suba South, Mbadi wacho ni lweny ma osiko nyiedhore e chenro mag duond bura mar ahinya e kaunti ma Homa Bay ok nyis kido maber. Mbadi bende ne okwayo migawo mar obila mondo otim nonro mapiyo e wi nek mar jaod bura ma Kasipul Charles owee.
There is violence that is taking root in Homa Bay County, which we must condemn in all, with all our energy. We must condemn the violence that is taking root in Kasipul. We abhor it. We condemn it. We don't want it. It is not worth it. Don't take lives of our people because of a political seat. Ndewa constituency is another one, where people are just cutting each other with bangers in the name of politicians. Those politicians who are promoting violence in Homa Bay County, I am also speaking as a leader from this region. You must stop. You cannot force people to vote you into power or back to power. Please respect wananchi, respect people's choices. Be democratic.